Hello friend, welcome to channel SS Stocks. Today this video is for Kaplan Point stock. We will see a technical and financial parameters, and we'll do analysis for this part, and we'll see whether there is some opportunity for short term or long term trading. Before moving ahead, one disclaimer from my side. This is not recommendation for any buy or sale of the stock. I'm just trying to explain how we can do fundamental or financial analysis or technical analysis for the stock, and we can find out opportunity in the market for medium term or short term investments or trading. Okay friends, so we will move ahead. Now we will go to the company site. So if we see this Kaplan Point is established in 1990 and it is listed in 1994. Kaplan Point Laboratories Limited is engaged in the manufacturing and sourcing of the APIs, that is active pharma ingredients required for final pharma products. Major of the revenues comes from Latin America, 87%, USA and Africa. Now market capital of this company is 5,428 crore. So this is a small cap company. Current price of the share is 718. Book value is 157. Stock P is 21 and industry P is 23.6. So if we compare stock P with the industry P, so stock P, it seems the stock is cheaper than the industry value, or it is almost at same level. Debt to equity ratio 0.02. So company is almost debt free. Sales growth for last 7 years it is 35.4. Sales growth for 5 years it is 34.8. So it is consistent growth of the sales. Then all time high is 1035 and company is at now stock is trading below all time high. ROC is 30.8. Any company which is having ROC greater than 30 is great. Return on equity is also 24.3, which is also great. Now we will see financial results, quarterly results. Sales of the company was 156 in 2018 and it is showing consistent growth from 156 to 300 crore in June 21. Operating profit showing consistent growth from 56 crore in 2018 to 93 crores in June 21, and it is all-time high profit margin, operating profit. Interest which company is paying, it is 0, so company is debt free. Net profit, it grown from 44 to 71. So from sales and profit point of view, company is showing consistent growth, and operating profit margin is consistently above 30. So this shows this company is being managed by efficiently by management. So management is good. Company is having good sales growth and consistent profits. EPS is also 5.76 and moved to 9.71 in recent quarter. So there is a growth in EPS, earning per share. Now we can see from yearly financial statement, profit and loss statement. Sales was 81 crore in June 11 and it is moving consistently and moved to 1061 crore in March 21. Operating profit was 8 crore in 2011 and which moved to 29 crore. So this is extremely good growth of this organization. Net profit increased from 6 crores to 244 crore in March 21. So based on yearly statement, financial statement, there is a consistent growth in sales and net profit. Dividend payout is also good. Share capital, it is maintained. Reserves are increased from 14 to 1171. So consistent increase in the reserves of the organization. This shows the financial condition of the company. So it is in a consistently growing. Borrowings almost negligible. Now shareholding pattern, promoters has good amount of stock share 69.03 and it is maintained. FIs and DIs are holding 1.15 and 1.48 respectively, and public it is 28.34. Out of 28.34, some 5 to 6% is in strong hands. So with public it is around 20 to 23%. So this is also good. So based on these financials, this company is performing good and having good performance from 2011. If we go to ticker tape, we can see two analysts has covered this stock, and 100% of the analysts are showing interest in this organization and are positive for the stock. Forecast for August 2021, that is 1 year from here, it is having good potential, 55%, 42%. So from this point of view also, the stock is performing very good and projections are good. So future growth seems to be good. Now we will go to technicals. So if we see the chart of the organization, this stock made all-time high of 1034.80 in July 21. Then after there is some correction and it is almost corrected more than 30%, and now it has taken a good support, and it seems that now stock is ready to move upward direction. So if we see the opportunity from current price, it is short-term opportunity. It seems to be 30%. It may take some months, but for 30%, this seems to be and great company which is having very strong fundamentals. I think this stock price will definitely being achieved in short term. And long term, अगर चार्ट हम देखते हैं तो long term, if we see it, we can see one cup with handle pattern, and if we try to find out the if we find out technical target for this cup with handle, it will be depth of this cup, like this, total depth of the cup. And if we move this depth ahead, so this target will come around this line 1128, and it is around 57% from current price. So immediate opportunity around 30% for this stock, and if we hold this stock for some maybe around 1 year, so we can get around 57 to 60%, 57%. And this if the company is performing good, stock price will definitely go to the as per the technicals. So this is my view, friends. You please check you study the stock, also consult your financial advisor before investing in the stock. But this video is to find out how we can find out great companies and how we can see there is opportunity for the investments. There will be definitely always there will be some good companies will have opportunities in the market. Just we need to study and we need to find out. Friends, please like this video, and this is my first video, so if you think I need to change something, I will try to improve. Okay, and please subscribe, share with your friends, and till then I will again come with some good video on great companies. Till then, stay safe. Thank you, friends.